Thank you, Sergio, for helping us out with this. This is a user test for gym logistics. You are going to try and use this application to find a gym near you and buy a pass.
Cool.
So this is the welcome screen.
Okay. So do you want me to just walk you through my thought process, or just...
Walk me through your thought process and click through it as if this was an application.
Okay, so myself, I guess, for the purpose of user testing, I'm going to log in as a guest, just to kind of explore the app. So I'll click on that button.
Okay. And this takes you to this screen.
Okay. So I see that, is this giving me my current location?
Yes.
Okay, so that's my current location. And then I have to press the search button in order to get the app to search for gyms, or it just comes up automatically? What are these dots?
So these are dots that are the default search parameters that are populated. Here we can go to list view, or you can click on the button that says search filters.
Okay, well, I'm very particular about my gyms, so I want to select filters.
Okay, this takes you to the filters menu.
Okay. So I see that you have a lot of different, not a lot, but like 3 or 4 criteria that you can pick from. Day of operation, why do you, I guess this is, okay. So if I want to just type in a price range of, let's say, $25 within 5 miles, I'm okay with all of the defaults, and I click submit.
So that will, again, take you to this view, and this will have refined your search. Something that you can do to get a little bit more detail is, if you go to the list view, you will get this.
Okay, so I see it gives me a range of options, all with different distances and different price ranges. And so if I select, for example, gym 1, which is the closest one to me, what do I see?
So then you would go to the gym profile.
So I see. I mean,
So
it's not very detailed, but
let's just also say that you're looking for a gym with a basketball court
okay.
as an additional criterion.
So I guess I would just want to explore what the different pass types are,
Yeah.
and if there's any other filters that I can search on. So
So
how do I do that?
So what you can do is you can click on the individual pass. So this will give you all the details of the pass. Right now the schematic isn't as detailed, but it will tell you how many passes. This is for what are the time restrictions for this pass. Let's say you can use it only on a weekday from 2 to 4. You can buy a bundle of like 3 passes or 5 passes. But if you swipe on the side, this will tell you a little bit more about the gym. So
Okay.
it'll tell you about the gym location.
Cool. I see the days that you can go, hours of operation, phone, website. If I keep, so I see that we've got 1, 2, 3. We're on the second screen. What happens if I go to the third
If you go to
screen?
the third one, it gives you the services offered. So
Oh, I see they have kettlebells. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
okay. Or a basketball court.
Or a basketball court. Cool.
So let's say this one doesn't have a basketball court. What would you do?
If this one doesn't have a basketball court, I would probably go back to the main menu and do a filtered search for basketball courts.
All right. So let's go through that.
Sure. So I would go to select filters. It's pretty intuitive.
Let me just find the filters. There we go.
And under services offered,
Okay.
I would click that drop down. And there I see that I have basketball court and several other options. I would click on basketball court. and then click submit. Is that just because you want to give people multiple options, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Seems a little
And-
cumbersome.
Okay, duly noted. So this brings you back to this page. And you can again kind of see where these gyms are in relation to you, or you can flip to the list view, similar to the way we did it beforehand.
So can I search for, I see here that I can search for, so it'll take my location and automatically pinpoint gyms surrounding me that I can go to.
Yeah.
But I can also enter an address and search for gyms in an area that I'm
That's
going to be in?
Yep.
Okay. So what if I do that? If I click search?
If you click search, it'll give you all of the gyms in the area. Like the screen will refresh effectively.
Okay.
And then you can either select a gym by clicking on the pins, or again you can go to the list view and select that way.
So I see, you showed me another thing earlier. So let's say I click on this one. It'll bring up the gym detail or the pass types with the gym detail. I don't see how big the gym is, or the layout, or how many members it typically accommodates. I don't know anything about the gym other than services.
So you would have, if you swipe, you would get the gym's website, and you can probably get that information over there.
Okay.
But yes, that's a good point. It's more information that we can offer. So let's say this is a gym that you've pre-filtered all of the services that you need, and you've gotten to here. What would you do next?
Well, I'd want to know exactly to what extent those services are offered. So, like, if I'm looking for a gym that has free weights and a basketball court, am I going to go to a gym that has 3 dumbbells and 1 basketball court, or a gym that has 2 rooms full of dumbbells and multiple basketball courts? So I'd like to know the degree of the services that I'm getting.
Okay, that's good to know.
But I
else?
don't know that you can necessarily get that here. Other than going through the 3 different menus about the gym, I mean, it seems pretty static in terms of the data that you can get.
Okay, so let's say you've selected that this is the gym that you want to go to. What would you do next?
So if this is a gym, I guess I would click on either pass type 1 or pass type 2.
Okay.
So I'll click on pass type 1 because I just want to try it out.
All right. So this would take you to.
And can I ask just why the big difference in prices between 1 and 2?
So let's say this would have like a bundle of 5 passes or something.
Oh, okay,
you
I'm
know,
sorry, yeah.
or
You
like
mentioned that.
4 passes.
Yeah.
So you've selected pass type 1, and this gives you all the details, the price, etc.
Okay. So I want to buy it. I guess I would just press the buy button or the buy tab.
Right. So here, it would bring you to a page where it'll prompt you to actually sign up because you're browsing as a guest.
Okay. So I'd fill in my information for sign in, and then I'd click sign up now.
Okay. Here you would get a request for a credit card to pay for the pass with.
I'd fill in my credit card information, and then click submit.
Right. This would take you back to the authorization page, which is you're basically ready to buy.
Okay. So this makes me both a member and gives me that first purchase.
So,
Or
so
did I already sign up for membership?
So you just sign up for an account with Gym Logistics,
Okay.
but not for an account with the gym.
Okay.
So this is an a la carte service. So you pay as you go, and you don't have any long-term obligations with the gym. The account that you just created is something that will be stored on your phone. So next time you want to do that, you'll be able to just like hit buy.
Do I have to give any information when I get to the gym?
You will have to give a verification code, which will be issued to you once you buy the pass.
Okay. So I want to buy the pass. I'll just click buy.
Yep. And there you go. So now this will take the My Passes page where it'll show you the pass that you just bought.
Cool. So if I just want to, what does it say? Fitness formula? What is that? Is that just the name of the
Yeah.
pass I bought? Okay.
It's the name of the pass or the
Cool.
and
I guess I would just go back to my account. Does it have like workout tips or anything like that? Nutrition tips? Anything?
no, but those are definitely features that we can look into adding. All right, thank you so much for your user test, Sergio.